Thermal imaging cameras make it easy to detect heat differences that normal cameras can't see. They are widely used for electrical inspections, HVAC diagnostics, leak detection, electronics repair, and even home inspections. But choosing the right one can be confusing. Some models have low resolution, limited temperature range, or poor accuracy. To help you choose the right device, we researched specifications and user feedback to find the top 5 best thermal imaging cameras you can buy today. These models offer reliable detection, good thermal resolution, and practical features for professionals and DIY users alike. Check the description for updated prices and links. Number 5. Mileseey TR10 Thermal Imaging Camera. The Mileseey TR10 is a portable thermal imaging camera designed for electronics repair, leak detection, and building inspections. It features a 192 by 192 infrared resolution with a 25 Hz refresh rate, delivering clear thermal images for identifying heat issues quickly. The camera measures temperatures from -20°C to 550°C, making it suitable for many diagnostic tasks. A 2.8-inch color LCD allows easy viewing, while features like hotspot tracking, adjustable emissivity, and multiple color palettes improve accuracy during inspections. With a 3,000 mAh battery lasting up to 8 hours, this handheld thermal imager is reliable for both professional work and home maintenance. Number 4. TOOLTOP ET11S Thermal Imaging Camera. The TOOLTOP ET11S combines a thermal imaging camera and digital multimeter in one compact device, making it especially useful for electricians and technicians. It features a 24 by 32 infrared resolution sensor and a 2.8-inch display that clearly shows heat patterns during inspections. The camera measures temperatures from -40°C to 300°C, helping identify overheating circuits, faulty components, or insulation issues. With 4,000 count multimeter capability, users can also measure voltage, resistance, and other electrical values in the same device. Its compact design, practical features, and dual functionality make the ET11S a versatile tool for electronics troubleshooting and maintenance tasks. Number 3. The P1 Android and iPhone Thermal Camera. The P1 smartphone thermal camera is designed for users who want professional thermal imaging directly on their phone. Compatible with Android and iPhone, it connects easily and uses your device's screen for a larger and clearer view. The camera delivers 320 by 240 thermal resolution with X-cubed IR image enhancement, providing detailed heat detection for HVAC inspections, home diagnostics, and industrial maintenance. It supports temperatures up to 600°C and runs at a 25 Hz refresh rate, allowing smooth, real-time thermal imaging. Because it's extremely compact and powered by your phone, this camera is perfect for portable inspections, field work, and everyday troubleshooting. Number 2. UNI-T UTi160S Thermal Imager. The UNI-T UTi160S is a professional handheld thermal camera designed for maintenance, electrical diagnostics, and industrial inspections. It features a 160 by 120 infrared resolution sensor with a 25 Hz refresh rate, delivering clear thermal images for accurate heat detection. The device measures temperatures from -20°C to 550°C with about ±2°C accuracy, helping identify overheating components or insulation problems quickly. A 2.4-inch display, multiple color palettes, and hotspot tracking improve analysis during inspections. The camera also includes PC analysis software, image storage, and a rechargeable battery providing around 6 hours of operation, making it a powerful tool for professionals. Number 1. NOYAFA NF521 Thermal Imaging Camera. The NOYAFA NF521 is one of the most versatile thermal cameras on this list, designed for floor heating detection, electrical diagnostics, and building inspections.
It supports a wide temperature measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for both household and professional applications. The camera produces clear thermal images that help locate hidden problems such as pipe leaks, insulation gaps, or overheating circuits. A rechargeable 2600 mAh lithium battery ensures long operating time, while the handheld design makes it easy to carry for fieldwork. Reliable performance, portability, and practical features make the NF521 a strong all-around thermal imaging solution.
Thermal imaging cameras make inspections faster, safer, and far more accurate. The 5 models in this list offer reliable temperature detection, good image clarity, and practical features for home, electronics, or professional use. Whether you want a smartphone thermal camera or a handheld inspection tool, there's an option here for every need. Which thermal camera would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.